I am very pleased to announce that Lunaphore is expanding its COMET portfolio to become the first universal end-to-end spatial biology solution, answering the needs from early discovery to late-stage translational and clinical research. Our portfolio now includes the upgraded version of our hyperplex high-throughput COMET instrument, together with a new addition of our antibody panels Spire and our panel builder to help kickstart development of assays, as well as our tissue analysis software Horizon tailored for hyperplex COMET images. With our unique product suite, customers can leverage their existing libraries of antibodies and decades of know-how on our instrument to scale assays into endless amount of multiplexing possibilities. Our universal end-to-end solution provides users with unparalleled speed, flexibility, scalability, and reproducibility to unleash the potential of spatial biology and to shape the next generation therapies. Come see us at AACR in Orlando, where we'll be showcasing our full product portfolio, and let's discuss how we can work together.